Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm TechFanatic and I'm from AndroidRoots.com, back here with an app review called Ulysse Speedometer. And I think this applies just for about anyone who drives or has driven in a car, which is just about anyone. And this applies mainly to people who travel out or go on trips, occasionally, maybe once a year even. Which would really help me out a lot, just to know the speed I'm going and how much I traveled, and just like each trip I've gone on to as well. It keeps track of everything that you with your car, of your driving, your speed, the length you've gone, and even which way you're going. Which is really nice, and it's a free app, which is even a cherry on top of the whole features. Alright, so on the top you got your speed that you're currently going. Obviously I'm going 0. You got a compass, which I've been having a little bit of problems with. Whenever I do turn it, it doesn't really change, so I don't know if it's just my phone or the way I installed it. I really don't know what's wrong with that. Hopefully it doesn't apply to you. It could just be with the Nexus 4, maybe just 'cause it's a new device, hasn't been supported or something like that. GPS, it says 29 feet, which is, my distance, I guess, from ground level or sea level. You got your trip, which is currently 0. It's set to 0. I haven't gone on any trips lately. Been in the house probably about 2 days. You got today, so you got the total travel today. If you slide it, you got yesterday's, you got last week's, total of last week's, and you got last month, total last month. If you want to even go one more, you got the total of everything, the total you've ever driven with this app enabled, which is really nice. You got average speed right here, the moving speed too. You got your battery percentage, which is really crucial. As you can see, when I turned on my phone, my GPS is turned on for that location, so it is really crucial to know your battery level, so it doesn't turn off if it's important to know a phone call or a text message, and you really want to know your battery level, especially when GPS does chew up a lot of battery if you do leave it on for a while. Actually up here you also have the time and the date if you really want to know. And which I really like about the interface is when you tap up here, you get the type of honeycomb interface where you do all your settings and all your options. So you have night mode right there, alarms, profiles, back if you want to go back to the main page for your speed and all that. You got the HUD units, reset max speed, apps, all the navigation, communication, exit, all the other good stuff too. So let's go and change the units. Let's say we are in Europe, right? Because Europe uses kilometers an hour. So let's tap on that, and now let's go back. And now it should have changed. Let's go units. Alright, there we go. Now it did change. So as you can see right there, kilometers an hour, not miles per hour like we use in the US, if any of you US fans are watching. And as you can see on the bottom here too, it is ad supported, so you will get ads occasionally, but that's not a big deal, especially when it's a free app. There should be apps, I kind of be disappointed if there weren't apps on a free app. Just, help support the developer, especially with this very cool interface and just cool overall. You can also reset your max speed, so it's already at 0, so there's no difference right there. Navigation apps, you can set your alarms too if you want to, so speed edge off and alarm sound is set off for now. So you can do a lot of good stuff with this. Obviously I can't really show you a lot right now just because I'm not in the car or anything like that. But definitely try out this app if you're going to be traveling soon, or if you do travel a lot. Even if you're going to travel once, it's really cool to see your speed compared to your car speed, the travel you just, the distance you traveled and all that, total, last month and all that, so you really know. And it can actually help you, with gas if you want to calculate all that, distance to gas ratio and all that stuff, and even compass if that does work for you. But that's just a quick review of Ulysse Speedometer for your Android device. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. And if you enjoyed this video, which wasn't a lot of detail, but hopefully enough detail for you to get this app, if this involves you, if you're interested in this type of apps, please hit that like button in the bottom left hand corner and subscribe if you want to see more of this content, more app reviews, ROM reviews, and just Android videos in general, as this channel is all about Android. And hit me up on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. All links are down below, and link to the app is down below with a little bit more details. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Peace.